No, keep doing it. Say hello.
Hello, Nana.
Say it's me, Landry.
Me, Leslie.
What is she saying?
I'm in the bagels. She was in the dozy. Dinosaur.
Oh.
I
See what?
see. Cheese. I see.
Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3, 4. And why does he?
Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Can you, Landry, can you count in Spanish? Wait, start over. What is the first number? Uno?
Uno, dos, tres.
What? What are you going to be for Halloween?
Diego.
You're going to be Diego?
Yeah.
No.
Big Dora.
You want to be Dora?
Yeah. Big dinosaur.
You want to be a dinosaur?
Jerry.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you going to get for Halloween?
Mommy. Coconut.
What do you say when you go to people's houses?
Oh.
Do you remember?
Oh.
Hey, where are you? Bye.